That is the morph array, and that, of course, is Jerry.
The morph array is used in Ratchet and Clank to turn your enemies into chickens.
No, wait, before you do that, just explain.
Oh, it worked. Jerry's a chicken. Are you sure we can turn him back?
Jerry?
The morph array, one of 36 weapons and gadgets not fit for this world.
Go ahead.
Today we're going to test the tractor beam from Ratchet and Clank. Oh, nice, dude. Nice job, nice job.
Turn it off! Whoa, turn that thing off! No, turn it off!
Sweet.
The tractor beam, one of 51 weapons and gadgets not fit for this world.